सुपर टीन्स चैनल में आपका स्वागत है और यहाँ पे आप सीखेंगे फाइनेंस, कम्युनिकेशन, बिजनेस और एआई एंड लॉट्स ऑफ माइंडसेट आल्सो। टीन्स कैसे अपने लाइफ को कंट्रोल में लेके आ सकते हैं एंड अवे फ्रॉम डूम स्क्रोलिंग, अवे फ्रॉम games and gossip and all that, and focus on growing and learning and developing high income skills for their future. So let's enjoy this video. Teen business examples, teaching and tutoring. What is the easiest part about this? See, you have to see कि आप business problem तो solve कर रहे हो, लेकिन problem solve करने के पीछे और दो चार factor होते हैं. उसमें से एक important factor होता है money. Do you have the money to make that product? No. So when we don't have the money, what do we use is our muscle. Like our muscle means we are using our physical energy. They say teaching and tutoring does not require money. It requires your time and your speaking skills. Yes or no? So अगर आपको कुछ आता है, so मेरे को AI समझ में आता है. So many people in their 40s and 50s are not used to AI. People in their 20s and 30s are great at AI because that's the Gen Z thing and the new thing people. But people who are slightly older, they are difficult to adopt to AI services or use of AI, or they may be using at the most ChatGPT. But at the same time, there are so many things which the AI can do. So many businesses like a vendor, let's say there is a sari shop. There is a which is there on the road, or there is a neighbor who is selling some pharmaceuticals or some products or some services. He doesn't know how to use AI. So you say, I can create more designs for you. I can make letters for you so you can write to your customers. Still people are maintaining physical letters, physical accounts, physical everything. So you can turn them into AI and say, sir, give me your all the accounts. I'll put it in the AI system and it will be done automatically. Some people don't know Excel. Do you know that? So many people don't know Excel. You know Excel? And if you don't know, you should. How to use spreadsheets. Right? So simple. That's a very small thing, but it's a big problem. Like teaching and tutoring, digital products, print on demand, creative services, product reselling, content editing, etc. So many people still use brochures or pamphlets in the world of digital products, right? They don't know how to design their products. So what you can do is, sir, give me all your products. I'll take good pictures with my iPhone or with my phone. I'll put them, I'll edit with the help of editing software. I'll create great pamphlets and great brochure for you. I'll create a website for you. You know, you can create a website with the help of AI, with the tool called Lovable. You can create a website. So कितने businesses के पास website नहीं है? कितने products Instagram पे नहीं है? You know, I have been to so many places and says, great product. Are you on Instagram? I said, no. I said, crazy? आप इतना अच्छा प्रोडक्ट बेचते हो, आप इतना अच्छा केक बनाते हो, और आप अपना केक्स इंस्टाग्राम पे नहीं लगाते हो. अगर आप लगाओगे and people see it and in your area, people can buy more from you. People make so good things and they said, do you have an online presence? Can you send me? Can you deliver me? No, we have only physical. So हमको जो लगता है ना कि बहुत अरे इतना सिंपल है, ऑनलाइन तो होगा ही, इंस्टाग्राम तो होगा ही. नो. So many people don't have Instagram accounts. So many people don't have YouTube channels. So many people don't have website. So many people don't know how to use AI. Now, all of you, what I just said, why am I saying all this? All of you in your age, in your teenage, you know everything like this. ये आप सबको पता है how to use YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, how to build a website. If you don't know, you can use AI to do it. And you can help the people who are in their 30s and 40s and 50s who don't use any of these, and they would be happy to pay you. ये ले 5,000 रुपया मेरा वेबसाइट बना के दे. For you, it's like a one-day job. So, do you get the ideas? Think about it. Think about, you know what an entrepreneur thinks. Where is the opportunity? Where is the gap? Where is the problem I can solve? And how do I make money? This is what an entrepreneur thinks all the time. and no job or no work is small. Remember this. आप खाली ऐसा बोलोगे ना सोसाइटी को, जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल, कि सोसाइटी में बहुत सारे साइकिल्स है और सब बहुत गंदे हो गए और सब पे बहुत धूल जमी एंड ऑल दैट. He says that you give a proposal that I can wash all the cycles, like it will take 2 hours or 3 hours of my time, and you pay me like $1,000, 1,000 rupees. That's okay. So, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, if you learn this lesson is that no job is small job. Remember this. If you really want to become big in life, no job is small job. ओके आप बोलो अरे साइकिल साफ करना मेरा काम थोड़ी है. नहीं, इट्स ओके, यू गेट 1,000 रुपीज. वाई नॉट? यू हैव 3 आवर्स. उतना तो आप इंस्टाग्राम पे ऐसे ही डालते हो, राइट? वाई नॉट मेक सम मनी? यू अंडरस्टैंड? You help some old people like 60s. They don't know how to use a smartphone. Teach them. Said every day I'll come and teach 5 old people how to use Instagram, how to take pictures, how to open your account, how to forward your messages, how to record voice messages. If you just say, sir, all of them, and make a request, sir, I'll give 5 hours, 1 hour for Monday to Friday. I'll teach all the 5 people who are 60 plus how to use your smartphone smartly, and give me like $1,000. 200 from each. Do you think they will say no? And do you think you can do it easily? Yes. So you don't need it. It's a problem you are solving because there is a problem. You have the skills and you people are willing to pay for it. Again, problem, skills, people are willing to pay. Everywhere there is going on. Big, small, so many things are there. I can go on and on, like, and no job is small. Right? When you have nothing to lose. Right? हम लोग मार्क जकरबर्ग थोड़ी है कि अंबानी थोड़ी है कि मैं साइकिल साफ करूंगा तो मेरे बारे में लोग क्या सोचेंगे. Do you understand? You have nothing to lose. You have no money to lose. You have no reputation right now to lose reputation. You have all the time in the world right now, whatever time you get. So you should do whatever job comes your way. Does that make sense? Now, based on what I said right now what do you think you can do it? आपने बड़े बड़े प्रॉब्लम डाले थे, मैं छोटे छोटे प्रॉब्लम की बात कर रहा हूँ. राइट? बिजनेस ऑलवेज. मार्क जकरबर्ग ने ये नहीं सोचा था कि मैं $multi-billion फेसबुक खोलूंगा. उसने खाली एक ही प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना था कि मेरे को फ्रेंड के साथ चैट करना है, इसलिए मैं ये सॉफ्टवेयर बना रहा हूं. राइट? So you always start with a small problem which eventually can become big, but you start with small, right? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned a lot from this video. And also join our Super Teens WhatsApp community, where we are going to give you continuous updates on how you can keep up with the ever-changing world, especially in the world of AI, and your teenager will remain ahead in that.